inside of my Photos app, I generated a bunch of photos for backgrounds on my phone. This one is an example of that, but it's portrait. And I think that's a pretty cool photo that I might want to change to landscape. There is a way you can do this that kind of makes sense. If we just rotate this, it's not going to make any sense because then the mountains will be sideways. But you can crop it and make it landscape and perfectly fit landscape mode with a special setting inside of the photo editor. So to get there, all we have to do is open a photo like we have here inside the Photos app, tap on this icon down here. This is all the photo editing tools. Tap on this little crop icon. Make sure that lock is activated. If it's not, you're just not going to see it. So then if it's not, follow the steps in just a second. If the lock is there, don't worry about it, just leave it there. So as I was saying, if we just rotate this, that's silly because now the mountains are sideways. Doesn't make a lot of sense. So let's rotate that 3 more times to go back to what it was. We want to tap on this icon right up here. Looks like a little collage. And then down at the bottom, we have freeform selected. Tap on original. That puts the lock back up. There it is right there. And now we can tap on horizontal or landscape. And now it changes the size to be landscape. So we can orient this just right to have those mountains in there. And if I tap done, we now have this photo in landscape mode. Clearly it's missing a bunch of data. We had that path, we had more sky, but that was portrait mode. That's just how it is. You got to crop out a bunch of the stuff to make it landscape mode. But this makes it so it's the perfect size. If I now turn this sideways, come on, there we go. It's just the perfect size for landscape mode on the phone. And that's using that special little setting. You can do it manually, but it's not going to be perfect. You're going to have a black gap at the top and bottom or left and right. But now the trouble is our original photo is gone. This is the one we're working on right here. If I tap into it, it's only the horizontal or landscape mode one. Luckily, we can get back to the original. You can tap on these 3 dots and then tap on revert to original and it goes back to the portrait mode. You can tap on the settings down here, tap on revert and it goes back to the portrait mode. You can also, let's do it this way right here, go back to the original. You can also, before you start working on the photo, tap on these 3 dots and then tap on duplicate to make a copy so that you can then work on the copy and keep the original as it was. The copy option here is a little different. This would let you copy this to the clipboard on your phone, which means you can paste it somewhere else, like into a text message. Duplicate just makes a copy inside of the Photos app. It does not make it a copy that you can paste somewhere else. So that's the difference between those two. Even though they sound kind of the same, they are different functions. And doing all this photo work is going to take up extra space on your phone because photos can take up a lot of space. Check out this video right here to find more space on your phone by emptying all the trash cans. Some of them are hidden, so you're going to want to check out that video because I show you all the places where extra storage space can be found on your phone. So if you got value from this video, like and subscribe, and then check out that one. I'll see you there.